Hey, welcome to a tutorial for how to use Mumble Chat or Proximity Chat in Minecraft. So first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Mumble Chat. Just search it up, and then it's here, www.mumble.info. You press download now, and then click whichever operating system you have. I have Windows 64, which is suggested. I'm not going to press download because I already have it, but yeah. So next, just pull out this page, which is guildbit.com. That lets you make a Mumble server for free. Then you can set it for at most 4 hours. Then you're going to open Mumble after you install it. Just gonna close out of that. This is Mumble. So first you're gonna go into settings, and here you can see that here I'm just gonna put it a bit lower. So this red right here is silence. So if the audio is down, like underneath that, it won't show up on Mumble. Then this yellow is the speech above. So anything above that is going to pick up and be registered as speech. You can tweak it however much you want so that it fits your environment. Everything else here doesn't really matter except for the device. If you have a microphone, you can choose your microphone. Here, audio output, make sure it says positional audio. Make sure it's whatever like headphone device you want it to be. That's it here that I changed, except for this, which is minimum volume. What minimum volume does is if somebody's farther away than this maximum distance value, their volume would be at 15% if you had it at 15%. By default, it's at 80, so that might be why you don't hear the difference. So I put it at 0 so that if they're too far away, you can't hear them at all. All this doesn't matter. You can add shortcuts if you want. Plugins, make sure you have link to game and transmit position enabled. Overlay, you don't need overlay. So that's all the settings. Next, at Guildbit, you are going to start a server. Select whatever time, set a password, and then I'm not going to make a server, but after you make the server, it will give you a link, it'll give you a link that you can use to join. I'll say when you try to join, it'll say something about like certificate or whatnot. Just press yes, and then it'll connect you. And that's pretty much it. Actually, when you go into Minecraft, you can either use the mod that's on CurseForge for Mumble Link, or you could use a client like Badland Client, Lunar Client, Believe Mod. Those are the only ones I know. I don't play Minecraft that much. But in Lunar Client, in the mods, it'll say a Mumble Link. Then you're going to enable that, and it'll just work. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.